Welcome to our channel Student Homeopathy. If you are new viewers, please subscribe our channel, like our videos and give your valuable feedback. Without wasting time, let's get started the video. Our remedy is Kalium Phosphoricum. Its common name is phosphate of potassium and formula K2HPO4. It is one of the greatest nerve remedy. Prostration, weak and tired, especially adapted to the young, marked disturbance of the sympathetic nervous system, condition arising from want of nerve power, neurasthenia, mental and physical depression are wonderfully improved this remedy. The causes are usually excitement, overwork and worry. Besides, it corresponds to state of anemia and decayed gangrenous condition. In this two direction, it has won many clinical laurel. Remember it in the treatment of suspected malignant tumor. After removal of cancer, when in healing process skin is drawn tight over the wound, delayed labor. Mind symptom shows morose, irritable, tearful, averse to be talked to, everything is too much, depression, lethargy, cannot recall names or words, mind sluggish but will act if overused. Extreme lassitude and depression, apprehensive, loss of memory, exhaustion after moderate mental effort, flies into a passion and can hardly articulate, tongue feels thick, restless, nervous, starting, perverted affection, cruel to husband, to baby, indifferent and captious. In head symptoms, there is occipital headache, better after rising, vertigo from lying on, standing up, from sitting and when looking upward. Cerebral anemia, headache of student and those worn out by fatigue. Headache are relieved by gentle motion. Headache with weary, empty gone feeling at the stomach. Eye shows weakness of sight, loss of perspective power after diphtheria from exhaustion and drooping of eyelids. In ear there is humming and buzzing sound occurs. Nose have nasal disease with offensive odor, fetid discharge. Face is livid and sunken with hollow eyes. Right-sided neuralgia relieved by cold application. Mouth have offensive breath, fetid, tongue coated brownish like mustard. It is excessively dry in the morning, toothache with easily bleeding gums. They have a bright red seam on them, gums spongy and receding. Throat have gangrenous sore throat, paralysis of the vocal cord. Stomach shows nervous gone sensation at the pit of stomach, feels seasick without nausea. Abdominal symptom shows diarrhea, foul putrid odor occasioned by fright with depression and exhaustion. Diarrhea while eating, dysentery stools consist of pure blood. Patient become delirious, abdomen swells. Cholera stools have the appearance of rice water, prolapsed recti. In female, menstruation is too late, too scanty, pale, irritable, sensitive, lachrymose female. Too profuse discharge, deep red or blackish red, thin and not coagulating, sometimes with offensive odor, feeble and ineffectual labor pain. In male, nocturnal emission, sexual power diminished, utter prostration after coitus. Urinary organ shows enuresis, incontinence of urine, bleeding from the urethra and very yellow urine. In respiratory symptoms, asthma, least food aggravate, short breath on going upstairs, cough, yellow expectoration. Extremity shows paralytic lameness in back and extremities. Exertion aggravate pain with depression and subsequent exhaustion. Fever is of subnormal temperature. Modalities: worse on excitement, worry, mental and physical exertion, on eating, cold and early morning, and better by warmth, rest and nourishment.